Actually, the best cat toys are free and at home. Curious animals, cats are. They enjoy to play, pounce, and investigate. Though you don't have to, many people spend a lot of money on upscale cat toys. The greatest cat toys are some that are totally free and already at home. Let's investigate free ways to bring your cat companion joy. Why cats want toys? Cats need to be stimulated both physically and otherwise. Their activity is maintained and boredom is avoided with toys. Cats who play also connect better with their owners. It can lower stress levels and raise their general well-being. Common home products that make excellent cat toys. How many commonplace objects can also serve as cat toys may surprise you. These could be favorites of your cat. Cardboard boxes. Cats are box fans. Hours of entertainment can be had from a basic cardboard container. Within it, your cat can sleep, jump, and hide. Cut holes on the sides to increase the enjoyment. This makes your pet friend's little playground. Paper bags. Another favorite are paper bags. Many cats find their crinkly sound to be irresistibly intriguing. Watch your cat wade in and out of a paper bag that is left open on the floor. Make sure your cat cannot become entangled in any handles, though. Rolls of toilet paper. Perfect for batting about are empty toilet paper rolls. For further fun, stuff them with a little tissue paper or leave them just as they are. You might even enclose sweets to make a puzzle. Ribbon and string. Long ribbon or string pieces can imitate how prey moves. Move them about so your cat has to pursue them. For the prevention of inadvertent ingesting or entanglement, always watch your cat while they play with ribbon or string. The aluminum foil balls. Ball up a piece of aluminum foil. The shininess and crinkly sound it generates are favorites of cats. Cats can easily bat about these because they are lightweight. Just watch that the foil isn't too tiny to avoid choking risks. Socks. Great cat toys can be made from old socks. Tie off a sock that has been filled with catnip. Both the silky texture and the aroma will please your cat. For even more fun, you may include a tiny bell inside. Rubber bands and hair ties. Rubber band and hair tie fascination a lot of cats. These are easily flung and bouncing about. To be sure your cat doesn't eat these things, always oversee play with them. Cat toy ideas made at home. Make your own cat toys if you're like crafts. These are easy projects using things you probably already have at home. The feather wand. Track down a stick or a wooden dowel. Suspend a feather from one end of the string. Your cat will like to chase and swat at this feather wand you now own. The sock fish. Stow additional socks or fabric remnants inside an old sock. Form it like a fish, then glue or stitch the end shut. Fins and eyeballs can be sewed or drawn. Your cat will want to bat it and carry about their new fish toy. The bottle cap puzzle. Get a couple of the caps off of plastic bottles. Under one, tuck a goodie and let your cat find it. Your cat will be mentally stimulated and its curiosity will be rewarded by this easy puzzle. Benefits of handmade toys. Toys produced at home offer a few advantages. They are less expensive and may last longer than toys from the store. Adapt them to your cat's tastes. You can also find crafting toys to be a pleasant pastime. Common hazards. Use of commonplace objects as cat toys should always prioritize safety. Steer clear of easily swallowed tiny objects. When your cat is playing, keep an eye on him, particularly with breakables. Examine toys often for wear and tear, and replace them if they become dangerous. Advancing play. Cats need a little prod to play occasionally. See what kind of toys your cat likes by trying several. Turn toys about to keep things interesting. Playtime is the time to interact with your cat to deepen your relationship. Your cat may be kept amused without going over budget. The greatest cat toys are many of them currently free and at home. Just a few include toilet paper rolls, paper bags, and cardboard boxes. Your cat will adore the homemade toys you may construct with a little inventiveness. As usual, put safety first and watch over playtime. You may provide your cat countless hours of entertainment and excitement by using commonplace items. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.